Hi, I'm Hao. In this video, we're going to learn how to combine different 3D objects and to make them into one object. To combine a object is pretty simple. First of all, we are going to create two 3D objects. Let's create a one box in OpenSimulator, and then let's create one surface in OpenSimulator. And next, let's try to move the surface onto the box. Let's do it. Let's move a little bit again, and then let's try to make it a little down. Okay. All right. So next, you will see that a we have a link button at this place, but currently the link button is grayed out because we have only one 3D object selected. And then we're going to select one more 3D object. If you press your Shift button and click the box object, then you will find that both the sphere and the box objects are now selected, and the link button has been activated. So at this time, if you click the link button, then you are then the sphere and the box object are now combined together. If you move them or if you select them, both objects will be selected at the same time and it will be moved, rotated, and scaled at the same time. Let's try it. If I click the box only, you will see the sphere is also selected. And if I move it left side, right side, backward, forward, up and down, or let's rotate it. The two objects are rotated together or moved together. If I scale them and they are scaled together, yep, this is a combination of an object. And if I press the Shift button and right click and drag to make a copy, you will see that they are copied together as a combination. So by using the combined feature, we can create more complicated object. For example, in this room, we can create some tables and chairs for students to sit and learn. Let's try this. To create a table, we need to create some basic objects. First, we need a box, and then let's go to the edit mode. Let's make a copy to them. Copy one. Okay, and let's copy one more. So these one, two, three, four, these four objects will become the four legs of a table. And this extra box, we will make it into the surface of the table. Let's do this. First, let's make the box a little wider. And then let's make it a little longer. And meanwhile, we need to make it much thinner. Okay? Yep, that's almost the same. Yeah. And then let's select these three boxes. Oh, let's remove the boxes. Let's remove the extra three boxes first. Let's focus on the one single box and let's make it thinner and shorter. Yeah, make it look like more like a leg. Make it higher. All right. And then let's move it onto the table. Oh, I think the leg is too long. Yep. Okay, here we go. Okay, now let's copy the leg. Copy the leg here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, okay, yep, sure. And now let's drag a yellow box in the on the screen and select all these 5 objects together at the same time. And then let's click the link button. Now these 5 objects are combined together. They will move and they will rotate and they will be scaled at the same time. And now let's reverse this table. Okay, so here we are. We have the table here, and it looks like this table is a little larger. Oh my God, maybe it's too large. Yeah, is it too large? No? Oh, no, no. Yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah, all right. Okay, now next let's make a chair. To make a chair, we can just simply copy the table, and then we have another button called unlink. Since multiple objects can be linked into one object, then a combined object can be unlinked, then to be breaked off into several multiple objects. So if we click unlink, the combined object will be breaked off. Unlink, yeah. Okay, now we can select each of the objects one by one. Okay, so what we are going to do is to change it to make the leg much shorter. Oh no. Press Control plus Z to undo. Yeah, we're going to make the legs shorter and to make it put it on the ground. Yeah. Okay. Let's remove the extra 3 legs and to make 3 more legs. Okay. All right, let's change the size of this board. And we're going to make it into the surface of the chair. Okay. Yeah, almost down. Yeah, we'll make it a little leftward. All right, and we need a back. We need a back support. So we will make a copy of this part and rotate it a little bit. And then we will move it up and connect it with the Yeah, with the surface of the chair. Okay, sure. All right. So yeah, we have a very rough and basic chair, and let's link them again and make a copy. Let's put them close to the table, and then let's select the chairs and the table again. Select the chairs and the table. Let's make copies here, here, and here. All right, so now we have a very simple classroom with 4 tables, 8 chairs, and 1 LCD monitors on the front wall. Yeah, let's move it a little into the center. Yeah, and let's close the wall. Yeah, let's just close the wall. Okay. Yeah, so we have a classroom here. Okay, hope you enjoy the video and you can explore more in the OpenSimulator. Bye.